In this video, we'll see how we can create basic simple banner using HTML and CSS. Let's go. So to create a banner here, you can see this is a blank index.html. Like we will create a banner using index HTML and CSS. Let's go how we can create it. First, I need images. So just download any images that you want to use in your background of banner. Okay, use it. You need to place into the same folder edge of where code you have, like I have already placed. Now what I will do, I will create a section. Div class will be banner. Now I will add styling. Here you can see I have linked. Here you can see I have linked my style.css. I will style it. Go to style.css, call that banner, and first thing I want to add background. Background. So I will give the URL of the image. Here you can see p.jpg. If it is in some folder, you need to write as that and then folder name and date that image. Okay. Here you can see p.jpg. Now when I go to my website, nothing happened. Okay, because I need to give it height and width. Width will be 100%. Height. You can see, but it is repeating. I will write background, repeat none. Background size content. Here you can see, this is my background image. Now here you can see, this is it. Now if you want to change the height as per requirement, you can set here. Like I want to set height to 500 pixel. The height as per requirement, I will for now I will add 550 pixel, and one more thing, I will change it to cover. Now here you can see, this is my background. Now I want to remove margin pattern. So what I will do? I will remove the container. I don't need any container. I just need banner now. Now here you see this is my background image. Now to create banner, I will add some overlay effect on it. Okay. For that, what I do, I will add linear gradient. Yeah. I will add linear gradient. Here you can see. Here you can see linear gradient. You can add color yes for your requirement. I have added combination of two color. If you want single color, you can add. From here you can see I can easily change like here. I can change as per my requirement. I want to add some dark gradient. Go to black so that white text will be visible. You can see one more thing. I need to return it. This is for opacity. I want to make it more clear. Here you can see. You can change as per your requirement. You can add overlay color as per your requirement. Now I want to add some text, heading, paragraph, anything above banner. Because we have added banner, we need to style it. For that, we'll go to my HTML. Now here, I want to add H1 heading. Now want to add some paragraph. Now after that I want to add a button. Class will be, here you can say you can't see anything. So what I will do, I will change it color. Go here, go to banner, color, white. Here you can see now everything is visible. I need to add text. Click now. Here you can see. Now I need to style it. First thing what I will do in banners, I will text align. I want them to center. Now here you can see this banner. Now what do you want? You want to give some spacing. I will add padding above, sorry, padding top. I want to give 30%. Here, 30 is very much, 10%. Here you can see. You can center align as per your requirement. Here you can see. Now it is a much more centrally aligned. You can see easily. Okay. So here some styling I have added for heading, font size, font weight, margin top, uppercase, the banner heading. Now I want to style paragraph. Now what will I will style button. Here you can see this is the button styling that I have added. What it will do here, margin padding I have given. You can change this is background color, border, font size, uppercase, text transform. These are some basic need that I have added here. You need to copy. Now my basic banner is ready. As you can see, this is my banner that I have created. This is a simple basic banner. If you want to add some content on it, you can add and customize as per requirement. You can add anything above it. This is a background image. Now above that, I have created a simple banner. You can create as per your requirement. So that's all. Very simple. You can easily create any type of banner by simple click on it. You can even add image on it. You can create multiple div on it. If you want to know more, let me know. That's why you can create simple banner using basic HTML and CSS, nothing more. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.